Antennas are essential components of our modern world. They are everywhere, from the rooftops of buildings to the tops of mountains, playing a crucial role in our daily lives. They allow us to communicate wirelessly over long distances, making it possible to stay connected with people across the globe. Antennas transmit and receive electromagnetic waves, which are the backbone of wireless communication. These waves carry information, such as radio and television signals, enabling us to access entertainment and news. An antenna acts as a transducer, a device that converts one form of energy into another. It converts electrical signals to electromagnetic waves and vice versa, facilitating the transmission and reception of data. When you speak into a cell phone, the antenna converts your voice into electrical signals, which are then sent out as electromagnetic waves. These signals are then transmitted as electromagnetic waves, traveling through the air to reach their destination. On the receiving end, the process is reversed. The antenna captures the incoming electromagnetic waves. The antenna captures the electromagnetic waves, which are then converted back into electrical signals. It then converts them back into electrical signals, which can be processed by electronic devices. These signals are then processed to reproduce the original information, such as your voice on the phone, music on the radio, or images on your television screen. The story of antennas begins long before their invention. Early scientists observed the effects of electricity and magnetism. These observations laid the groundwork for understanding electromagnetic waves. In the 17th century, William Gilbert studied static electricity. He coined the term electricity. In the 18th century, Benjamin Franklin demonstrated the connection between lightning and electricity. These early experiments, while not directly related to antennas, were crucial. They sparked curiosity about the nature of electricity and magnetism. This curiosity eventually led to the discovery of electromagnetic waves. James Clerk Maxwell developed the theory of electromagnetism in the 19th century. His equations predicted the existence of electromagnetic waves. These waves could travel through space at the speed of light. In 1887, Heinrich Hertz experimentally confirmed Maxwell's theory. Hertz built a simple apparatus. It used a spark gap to generate electromagnetic waves. He also used a loop antenna to detect these waves. Hertz's experiments were groundbreaking. They proved the existence of electromagnetic waves. This discovery paved the way for the development of wireless communication. Guglielmo Marconi is considered the father of wireless telegraphy. He realized the potential of Hertz's discovery for communication. In the late 19th century, Marconi worked on transmitting signals over longer distances. Marconi made significant improvements to Hertz's apparatus. He used a more powerful transmitter. He also used a taller antenna. These improvements allowed him to transmit signals over several miles. In 1901, Marconi achieved a historic feat. He successfully transmitted a wireless signal across the Atlantic Ocean. This event marked the beginning of the era of long-distance wireless communication. Section 5. Early 20th century, refining the antenna. The early 20th century witnessed significant advancements in antenna technology. Scientists and engineers developed new antenna designs. These designs improved the efficiency and directivity of antennas. One notable innovation was the invention of the dipole antenna. The dipole antenna is a simple yet effective antenna. It consists of two conductive elements. These elements are typically arranged in a straight line. Another significant development was the invention of the directional antenna. Unlike omnidirectional antennas, which radiate power uniformly in all directions, directional antennas focus the power in a specific direction. This focus increased the range and reduced interference. Section 6. World War II and beyond, radar and beyond. During this period, the world witnessed a technological revolution that would change the course of history. World War II accelerated the development of antenna technology at an unprecedented pace. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to innovate and improve radar systems. The war created an urgent need for advanced radar systems to detect enemy aircraft and ships, providing a strategic advantage in military operations. Radar uses antennas to transmit and receive radio waves, a fundamental principle that remains crucial to this day. These waves detect and locate objects such as aircraft and ships by bouncing off them and returning to the radar system, allowing operators to track their positions. The development of radar led to the invention of new antenna types, each designed to improve detection accuracy and range. These include the parabolic antenna and the phased array antenna, both of which have unique characteristics and applications. The parabolic antenna has a dish-like reflector that is highly effective in focusing radio waves. This reflector focuses the radio waves into a narrow beam, enhancing the radar's ability to detect distant objects with precision. The phased array antenna consists of multiple antenna elements, which can be individually controlled. These elements are electronically controlled to steer the beam of radio waves without moving the antenna itself, allowing for rapid and flexible targeting. Phased array antennas are used in modern radar systems, satellite communication, and other applications, showcasing their versatility and advanced capabilities in today's technology landscape. Section 7. The Space Age, Reaching for the Stars. This era marked a monumental leap for humanity as we ventured beyond our planet and into the vast unknown of space. The dawn of the space age brought new challenges and opportunities for antenna technology. Scientists and engineers had to innovate rapidly to keep up with the demands of space exploration. Antennas played a crucial role in space exploration. They were the lifeline that connected astronauts with mission control and allowed for the transmission of vital data back to Earth. They enabled communication with spacecraft and data transmission from space. Without these antennas, the exchange of information between Earth and space would have been impossible. Spacecraft antennas must be compact, lightweight, and highly efficient. These characteristics are essential to ensure that the spacecraft can carry out its mission without being weighed down. They also need to operate in the harsh environment of space. This includes extreme temperatures, radiation, and the vacuum of space, all of which can affect the performance of the antennas. To meet these requirements, engineers developed specialized antennas. These include helical antennas, horn antennas, and reflector antennas. Each type has unique properties that make it suitable for different applications in space. The development of satellite communication systems relied heavily on advanced antenna technology. These systems revolutionized how we communicate, making global communication faster and more reliable. Satellites use antennas to receive signals from Earth and transmit signals back. This two-way communication is crucial for various applications, including weather forecasting, navigation, and scientific research. These signals carry television broadcasts, phone calls, and internet data. Thanks to satellite antennas, we can enjoy a connected world, accessing information and communicating with others no matter where we are. Section 8. The Digital Revolution Antennas in the Information Age. The late 20th century witnessed the rise of the digital revolution. The digital revolution brought about a surge in the demand for wireless communication. This demand fueled further advancements in antenna technology. The proliferation of mobile phones, laptops, and other wireless devices required smaller and more efficient antennas. This requirement led to the development of microstrip antennas. Microstrip antennas are flat antennas. They can be easily integrated into electronic devices. The rise of wireless networking technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth further increased the importance of antennas. These technologies rely on antennas to transmit and receive data over short distances. Section 9. Modern Marvels, from satellites to smartphones. Today, antennas are ubiquitous. They are found in countless devices and systems. From satellite communication and GPS navigation to radio astronomy and medical imaging, antennas play a vital role in our modern world. Modern antenna technology continues to advance at a rapid pace. Engineers are developing new materials and techniques to improve antenna performance. These advancements include metamaterials, fractal antennas, and reconfigurable antennas. Metamaterials are artificial materials. They have properties not found in nature. Fractal antennas have a complex, self-similar geometry. Reconfigurable antennas can change their shape or electrical properties to adapt to different frequencies or environments. Section 10. The Future of Antennas. 5G and beyond. The future of antenna technology is bright. The rollout of 5G networks is driving the development of new antenna technologies. 5G networks operate at higher frequencies than previous generations of cellular networks. These higher frequencies require smaller antennas and new antenna designs. Massive MIMO, or multiple input, multiple output, is a key technology for 5G. It uses a large number of antennas at both the transmitter and receiver to improve capacity and reliability. Beyond 5G, researchers are exploring new frontiers in antenna technology. These include terahertz communication, optical wireless communication, and body-centric communication. These emerging technologies have the potential to revolutionize wireless communication. Section 11. Conclusion. The indispensable antenna. From the early experiments of Hertz to the modern marvels of 5G and beyond, antennas have come a long way. They have played a pivotal role in shaping our world. Antennas have enabled us to communicate wirelessly over long distances. They have connected us to the farthest reaches of space. As technology continues to advance, antennas will continue to play an indispensable role. They will shape the future of wireless communication and enable new and exciting applications. From the smallest devices to the largest infrastructure, antennas will remain essential components of our increasingly interconnected world.